Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to quickly and easily view your YouTube TV bill. Many people find it a little confusing to navigate the YouTube TV interface to find billing information, so we're here to simplify the process. In this video, we'll cover two main methods: viewing your bill through the YouTube TV website on your computer and accessing it through the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. Whether you're on your couch or on the go, we've got you covered. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tips and tutorials.
Now, let's get started. Astérisque astérisque, screen recording, viewing YouTube TV bill on computer, astérisque astérisque.
Okay, so first let's look at how to view your bill using a computer.
1. Astérisque astérisque, open your web browser. Astérisque astérisque, head over toutv.youtube.com.
2. Sign in asterisk, make sure you're signed in to the Google account you use for YouTube TV. 3. Go to your profile asterisk in the top right corner, click on your profile picture. 4. Select Settings asterisk from the drop-down menu, choose Settings. 5. Billing section asterisk on the left-hand side, click on Billing. 6. View your bill asterisk here, you'll see your billing summary. You can see your next payment date, your payment method, and most importantly, your past bills. 7. Download/print asterisk, click on any past bill to view the detailed invoice. Most browsers will give you the option to print or save this as a PDF. And that's it.
Pretty straightforward, right?
Now let's see how to do this on your phone or tablet. Screen recording, viewing YouTube TV bill on mobile app.
Alright, now let's switch over to the mobile app.
1. Open the YouTube TV app asterisk, launch the YouTube TV app on your iOS or Android device.
2.
Tap your profile asterisk, tap your profile picture, usually in the top right corner. 3. Select Settings, asterisk, scroll down and tap on Settings. 4. Choose Billing asterisk from the Settings menu, tap on Billing. 5. View your bill asterisk, just like on the computer, you'll see your billing summary, upcoming payment, and a history of your past bills. 6. Access Details asterisk, tap on any past bill to view the detailed invoice. Depending on your device, you should have options to screenshot or save the bill. So whether you're on your computer or mobile device, finding your YouTube TV bill is now a breeze.
Asterisco asterisco, outro, asterisco asterisco.
And there you have it. A quick and easy guide on how to view your YouTube TV bill. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Do you have any questions about YouTube TV billing or anything else related to the service? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.